beautiful queens, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Nora. Welcome back here again. I'm so happy to be here, my beautiful queens, and I brought you the topic we've been waiting for. I promised once we hit 5,000 subscribers I was gonna make a I'll make a video of how to make your flawless whitening face cream, a face cream that will whiten your face and give you this glass flawless smooth results. Okay, that's all what this video today is all about. If you're new on this channel is all about skincare, beauty tips, fashion and lifestyle. So if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Join this amazing family where we talk about skincare, beauty tips that really works. Okay, subscribe, turn your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. So I won't want to waste your time. Let's just dive into the video so I can show you how to make the most amazing whitening flawless face cream. Let's get to the workstation so I can show you that. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Nora. Like I promised, today's video is all about our flawless whitening face cream that I promised to make. Okay, so before we proceed, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification post so you'll be notified each time we drop a video. So I'm going to make this video really fast. Okay, I don't want this video long at all. This recipe is a very simple recipe. It's a face cream that will take off your sunburn, dark spot, pigmentation, any stuff you have on your face. It's going to take it out, give you this flawless, smooth, baby smooth face, glowing face. It's a rejuvenating face cream. So the key ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe is none other. This is the base we'll be using for today, and it's none other but the Glutathione Serum face cream. That's the base we'll be using for our recipe today. This glutathione, look at it, this face cream, Glutathione whitening facial cream. Okay, so this is the base cream we'll be using. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like on the, look at it, this is the bottle of the Glutathione Serum face cream. So this is our base for today. So I'll be putting this in our container. I'll be putting this in our bowl. So this is it. So this is what we'll be using. So I'm gonna pour this into my bowl. So this face cream is really small inside, very small. It's not big at all. So I'll be using two different base face creams. The Glutathione Serum is a very whitening face cream, and mind you, this face cream is meant to be used only at night only. You don't use it during the day. It's just for night use only. So the next face cream I'll be using is Yolk. This face cream is super nice. This is a red ginseng whitening anti-freckles fade cream. This helps fade dark spot, pigmentation, discoloration, and it helps give you a flawless face. So this is what we'll be using. This is what it looks like in the inside. This is the cover. So this is it. So I'll be adding 2 of this face cream to my mix. So I'll just scoop out the face cream and I'll add. It's also small. The face creams I'm using are small face creams. But this face cream is kind of expensive to produce because the Glutathione face cream is not cheap. This one too is a bit affordable, but it's very small inside. It's not big at all. So I'm trying to scoop out everything. So face creams are very small. So that's one bottle. So I'm using 2 packs of the Yolk. Look at it. I'm using 2 packs. I'm using 2 packs of the Yolk, so I'll put the second one inside. So the bottle is really small. Okay, it's very small, so I'm trying to, scoop out everything inside. Okay, so that's it. So next I'll be adding my face whitening face cream. This is a beauty cream for the face. This is a very effective whitening treatment. Super nice for the face. Help achieve a flawless face. So I'll be adding the whole tube into my bowl. So I'll be adding the whole tube into my bowl. So next, I'll just mix up the base. So these are my 3 base: Glutathione Combined Face Cream, Keyaki, and the Whitening Face Cream. Are the 3 cream I use for this mix. So another thing that's supposed to be in this mix is clean cap, but I don't have clean cap, but I'll be adding clean cap later after I make this video. I don't have it right now. I'm supposed to upload this video, so I just decided to make it. That's the only thing I don't have here, clean cap. So I'm going to insert the picture of clean cap somewhere on the screen so you know what clean cap looks like. So that's the only thing I don't have here. So that's the clean cap. You're supposed to put 1 full clean cap tube into this mix. So I'll insert the picture so you know what it looks like. Okay. So next we're going to be adding White Secret Serum. White Secret Serum. I'm going to be adding half of the bottle into the mix. Okay, that's it. Okay. Yeah. So the soap you're supposed to use with this flawless face cream is a fruit facial soap. Okay. I sell this with a fruit facial soap. So the facial soap is supposed to, cleanse your face. The facial soap takes out sunburn, like it takes out sunburn completely off your face, pimples, pigmentation. So the face, and it's a bit drying, so it kind of exfoliates the face. So the face cream that goes with the fruit soap is supposed to be very moisturizing, which is what we are making now. So that's why I'm adding enough oil. So after exfoliating and washing your face with the soap, it's kind of a little drying. You need a cream like this, face cream like this, to help nourish, beautify, and hydrate your face. So next I'll be adding egg yolk serum. This egg yolk is from White Secret egg yolk serum. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of the white egg yolk serum to my mix. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of the White Secret egg yolk serum. Egg yolk beautifies the face, help you have this youthful glow. So that's 2 tablespoons. Next, I'll be adding the liquid glutathione concentrate. This is liquid glutathione. I'll be adding the whole half bottle. I have just half. So I'll be adding the whole half. Like I said, the fruit soap you're supposed to be washing your face while using this flawless whitening face cream is a bit drying. So that's why our face cream will have to be hydrating face cream. Okay, gonna hydrate and beautify your face. So next we'll be adding another glutathione serum with vitamin C. This one will be adding 2 tablespoons of this one to the mix. This face cream, to give you this beautiful, young looking, clear face, like the glow from your face. You wake up every morning seeing your face, you'll be happy. It makes the face so beautiful, like you admire yourself in the mirror at all times. So nice. So next I'll be adding vitamin E. You all know I love this vitamin E oil. So I'll be adding just 1 tablespoon of the vitamin E oil to my mix. So next I'll be adding secret oil. This is my secret oil, HD secret oil. I'll be adding 3 drops of the HD secret oil. Secret oil, it helps beautify the face, help you achieve the flawless face you want. So I'm just gonna turn in a little of that, not too much, just small of the secret oil. Okay, and next I'll be adding a pinch of miracle powder. So this is miracle powder. This is what the pack looks like. I'll be adding a pinch of miracle powder. Okay, miracle powder takes off green veins, spider veins, any skin issues. Just a pinch, just a little, not too much. That's it. So like I said earlier, the only thing we don't have here is clean cap. That's the only thing we don't have here. So lastly, what we'll be adding here is a tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin will help lock in moisture, help hydrate the face while beautifying and whitening the face, so your face doesn't dry out. So this is it. So the soap, like I said earlier, used with this whitening face cream is as driest shape. So this is what the face cream looks like. I'm going to turn this thoroughly. Okay, it's more like a face lotion. It's not really watery, it's just like a milk, a facial milk. As you can see, everything we use in making this is super amazing. So I'm gonna turn this properly. This face cream is super rich, beautifies your face like no man's business. Super nice. So when you're making yours, after you add your base or your 3 base, you add your you add your kaki, you add your glutathione compound face cream, your kaki face cream, your fresh whitening tube cream, you add your clean cap before adding your oils. That's how you make it. So this is it. This face cream is amazing. So see how beautiful it looks. That's how it will be. You wake up every morning loving the look of your face. So like I said, I don't want this video very long, so that will be the end of today's video. This is our flawless whitening face cream. It's gonna make your face flawless, beautify it, make it, your face will glow like never before. Okay, so that is it. You can see the consistency is just like a proper moisturizing face cream. It's not working, it's the proper consistency of the face cream. So to use it with fruit soap, there's a fruit soap I sell at the shop. I sell with this. You apply that fruit soap on your face for 5 minutes, then you wash it off, then you tune your face with your rose water toner, and you apply this face cream every night. It's not for daytime use, only at night. You wake up every morning loving your face. During the day, you can apply a moisturizer, like you can apply your Neutrogena facial moisturizer, and at night you apply this face cream. You come back and thank me. So that will be all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification post so you'll be notified each time I make an amazing video like this for you. Thank you for now, and thank you so much. I'm saying thank you for now. Thank you so much, and bye for now. I love you all, and God bless you. Bye.